Hi, I'm Breck Rubin, CEO of DirectStay. Thanks for joining me. I wanted to ask you, are you a host that's looking for more freedom, empowerment, true ownership equaling a real business? If you are, we are building that culture here at DirectStay. And I wanted to share a little bit about our wealth building ecosystem with you. And it was sparked by a comment that I saw, a question that a man posed today. And this is why I'm making the video. He posed it in a community. And it's the whole reason why we're building Direct Stay. And the importance of me making the video is that maybe you're out there with the same heart as this man and just haven't found a solution or an answer to be able to make this come true for you or for it to be real for you. So his name is Thomas J. Bailey. I don't know who he is, never met him before, but he said something that really grasped me. And it's the whole reason why we've built DirectStay. So he says, I'm curious if there's anyone whose goal is to retire early. Not five properties making $250,000 a year, not a property management company continuously scaling, collecting more properties, more like owning one or two properties, making 50 to 100,000 annually, then just quitting your W2 job and enjoying life. Does that sound like something that you want to do? Quit your W2 job and enjoy life? He says, I want to be a stay-at-home parent who spends less than 10 hours a week on Airbnb and enjoy life. If that's you, this is exactly why we built DirectStay, my wife and I. Being short-term rental hosts ourselves, starting back in 2017 with two properties, we've always desired to have financial and time freedom. I think that it's innately inside of all of us to have that, to be able to operate and walk in our purpose and enjoy life the way that we want to, enjoy life to the abundance. And so I want to share with you a link below in the video. And we are launching DirectStay, and it is exactly built, the culture is built around financial and time freedom and empowering you to have your own business. So if that's something that speaks to your heart, exactly like Thomas's question asking other people, he says, I would love to hear anyone living this lifestyle. So if that's you, reach out to us. We'd love to have you be a part of our beta testing and to join us here at DirectStay. Thanks again. I'm Breck Rubin, CEO of DirectStay.